This question belongs to Computer Network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider the following statements about the functionality of an IP-based router. Which of the following statements are true? Let us see all of them one by one. So first states, a router does not modify the packets during forwarding. Okay. So we have a router over here. We can have various routers in our network. Let us suppose this is link 1 and this is link 2. So each link has the maximum transmittable unit. Suppose it gets a packet and has an MTU of 1000, which means we can have data equivalent to 1000 bytes over here. And if it has MTU of 500, which means we can't transfer 1000 MTU packet over here. So we need to break the packet. So here fragmentation is done if the MTU of the next link is lesser than our IP packet size. So router does not modify the packet during forwarding is false, as we can have fragmentation done by router if the MTU of the next link is lesser. Second is, it is not necessary for a router to implement any routing protocol. Yes, this is true. Suppose this is our router and these are various links and we have next router over here or a network over here. Then in that case, what will happen? If we do not have any routing protocol, then we can just forward the packet to all the links. So it is also a possibility that we may not implement any routing protocol and we can just use forwarding to all the links. So second is true. Let us see option 3. A router should reassemble fragments if the MTU of the outgoing link is larger than the size of the incoming packet. See, if we have router like this, we have an incoming packet. Let us suppose it has MTU 500, outgoing has MTU 1000, and then this is our destination, this is our source. We need to go from source to destination, but it is possible that our packets may follow different directions. Like it is possible that this packet P2 never came to this router. So in that case, if it will wait for reassembly, then it can't complete the reassembly as packets may follow different direction. So thus reassembly is done only at the destination and not at the intermediate routers. And router will directly forward, it will not reassemble the fragments. So option 3rd is also false. So only 2 is true. So correct answer is option D, 2 only.